Hello, hope you're doing great. This is Mariappanni Rajan, and in this video, I would like to share a perspective on how, in this age of AI, VFX and animation studios may move increasingly towards building their pipeline technologies in-house rather than relying primarily on off-the-shelf SaaS solutions. For the last couple of decades, technology in our VFX and animation industry has been largely shaped by one dominant idea: software as a service. But something fundamental is beginning to change right now. AI is quietly rewriting the economics of software development in our industry. Historically, building software has always been expensive. Not just the initial development, but also the long-term maintenance, support, and the reliability engineering that comes with it. So that's the key reason that our industry embraced SaaS. Instead of building these complex systems internally, studios just subscribe to powerful tools such as Maya from Autodesk, Nuke from the Foundry, Houdini from SideFx, and Photoshop from Adobe, just to name a few. These tools are incredibly powerful, but they are necessarily generic. They have been designed to serve thousands of studios and millions of users. That means everybody is paying for the full toolbox, even though most of them would just be using a portion of it. Now we are entering a new phase. AI-assisted development systems such as Claude, Codex, and Gemini are dramatically amplifying what an individual engineer can build. Now, a small team of proactive R&D engineers can build complex products and tools that previously required large engineering organizations. I envision a time in the very near future that many studios will be running their complete end-to-end production pipeline completely on technologies that they have custom built in-house. And I believe that the studios that have the most custom tailored technologies will be the ones that will be able to tell the most distinctive stories and ultimately leading to the most profitable outcomes. So, in this era, studios that invest in strong R&D teams will have a massive advantage. Because the real differentiator has never been, and especially now is not, the off-the-shelf tools you buy. It is the custom technology that you build. Because that is where the authentic personality and the creativity and the technical soul of the studio really is. With over 17 years of experience in our computer graphics industry, I've had the privilege of building and leading many technology initiatives that power large-scale creative production environments. And now I'm actively exploring head of research and development opportunities in our industry with a strong focus on AI innovation. If you are looking for a seasoned R&D leader to turn research to meaningful and profitable business outcomes, I would love to connect with you. Thanks for watching.